Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, basically what this is a polarized vintage sunglasses that you can use to wear outdoors when it's really hot, sunny, or anything. So first thing first, I'm actually open up and show you what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. So all you have to do is just like open up right here. They have a slot to pull it out like that. Inside, they provide you the actual sunglasses right here. And then they provide you a little polarized card, so you can actually check how well the polarized on the actual lens itself works. And last but not least, they provide you a little lens cloth, so you can actually use it to wipe off the lens if it's dirty or whatever. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's take a look at the actual sunglasses itself. So here is the sunglasses. You guys can see, open up like this. You guys remove this part here, remove this part here as well. But if I turn it this way, you guys can see a little bit better of like that little vintage retro kind of color. The overall product itself, it has that metal kind of material, like right here, the metal bridge. And then also right here is also metal as well. The lens itself is actually polarized. And the way how you guys know is by putting on the sunglasses itself, and you guys can actually look at the sample that is provided on here in the back. So if you guys can see right here in the back part, it tells you how to put it on so you can see like the actual polarized lens difference. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like when you guys put it on. It looks very interesting. It definitely has that kind of like matrix kind of like glasses feeling when you guys put these on. So basically when you guys put on the sunglasses to look at the polarized picture that's on here, you guys can see a lot of cards. So if you guys look at it right now, there's no cards on there, but once you guys put on the lens, you guys can see some cards in there. So let me try to show you guys. So as you can see, when you guys put on the lenses and see there's a bunch of cards on there, but if you guys don't have the lens on, you guys don't really see any cards on there. So that's pretty cool. Like if I tilt the card like sideways like this, I can see the cards like right there. But then if I look at it straight forward like this, I don't see any cards because of like how like the road is and everything based on what they're showing on the example right here on the card. But the overall feel and material that's on the product itself is really nice. It definitely feels really comfortable when you guys put it on. I'm not too sure about the look itself. I think it looks kind of cool and everything. It definitely has that retro vintage kind of look. So I don't know if this looks good on me, but I'll let you guys decide in the comment section down below. You guys let me know if this looks good or not. But so far it feels really nice. It definitely does its part using the polarized lens itself and also has that kind of UV protection on the sunglasses as well. The way how they designed this part actually is really comfortable as well. The overall sunglasses itself is actually really super lightweight and everything. The way how they design it is super lightweight. So to be honest with you guys, if you guys want one or need one of these, then obviously it's worth it. Especially if you guys want to go outdoor where there's a lot of sunlight and you guys want to protect your eyes, then this is definitely worth it in those cases. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And if for today's G Squad fan shout day we have.